In today's quick video, I'm going to walk you guys through how to set up the auto upload features step by step and make sure that you are successful in backing up your data. One of the coolest features about the GoPro 11 is the fact that it has the auto upload feature. Given if you have the GoPro subscription, it's unlimited cloud storage and it's pretty amazing. Let's go through a couple of prerequisites before we get started. Number one, you need faster internet. The file size on the GoPro 11 is huge. So if you have really slow internet, it's just not going to work. It'll probably disconnect. Make sure you have fast internet, a stable one as well, and with good upload speed. Number two is that the GoPro 11 will memorize only your last Wi-Fi password that you just set up. So if you're traveling, you're changing Airbnb, every time you go to a new place, you will need to go through the quick app and then set up the new Wi-Fi. Number three, you do not have to have a battery inside the GoPro in order for the upload to happen. I do not want to burn out my brand new Enduro battery, so I took the battery out and I just plug in a power source into the GoPro and the auto upload will still work. Your GoPro will get hot during this process and the screen will stay on the entire time. All right, let's go to the bench and we'll get started. Okay, so in order for you to do an upload without keeping the battery inside, you need fast enough power. So I actually have this Anker 56 watt triple charger, and this is powerful enough to power up my MacBook Pro. So you want something like this. If not, you will have to keep the battery inside the GoPro and it's just gonna cause premature wear and tear on your GoPro battery. First thing first is we're gonna plug it in and this is going to turn on. Now, if there is not enough power, your GoPro is going to let you know. And if that's the case, you will just have to put the battery inside to help supplement. Oh, look, it's already starting upload, but I'm just going to hit cancel because I'm going to walk you guys through how to do this. Under settings, and then your auto upload is on. And then I normally have auto clear off just because I want to keep the footage on my SD card as backup. So I'm not going to have it just automatically clear my SD card. That kind of scares me. You can also trigger manual upload, but we're not going to do that today. And then the other thing is your wireless connection. Make sure it's on because you are going to have to connect to Wi-Fi and also your phone as well. So, okay, make sure all those are good to go. So here we're going to go into the GoPro Quick app, which is right here. It's going to take a second. And then next thing is you're going to hit GoPro. It's gonna find your GoPro. I'm assuming that you have already connected your GoPro, everything is ready to go. If you look down here, there's a cloud auto upload right here. Okay, so you're gonna click on that. And then next thing is your Wi-Fi network. You're gonna come down here, you hit manage. So I'm gonna pick my Wi-Fi, it's called ChowFam, and I'm just gonna pop in my Wi-Fi password. Okay, now it's connecting to my Wi-Fi. And you need to do this every single time you hit up a new Wi-Fi hotspot. Plug your GoPro into a wall outlet, content automatically uploads to the cloud, all done, okay. So now this side, you're good to go. You don't have to do anything else. Close it up, power it off first, and then yank the battery cable. Now just plug it back in and watch the magic happen. There you go. So now it's connecting to the Wi-Fi because we already set that up using the Quick app, and now this is just going to take forever. I have hundreds of clips in here, so it's going to take hours. I recommend you doing this overnight, making sure that you are starting to see the upload. When it's starting to upload, you'll see a percentage going on. It will give you the number of clips that's going to upload. Okay, so as you can see, I have successfully uploaded quite a few clips on here. These are all on the cloud currently, and if you need to use these, you can now easily download them or even stream them. This is a 5K 60 frames per second video. And I'm just streaming it right now. And it's smooth. It's really good. There you go. I hope this is helpful to you guys. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments below. And I will see you guys in the next quick video. Bye.